From traditional steel and gunpowder to cutting-edge technologies, firearms are evolving rapidly. In this video, we'll explore the exciting future of firearms, including smart guns, laser-based weapons, and advanced technologies that could revolutionize the way we think about firepower. Let's dive in. Smart guns are equipped with technology to enhance safety and functionality. Features like biometric fingerprint scanners, RFID activation, and app-controlled locking systems ensure only authorized users can fire the weapon. This could reduce accidents and prevent stolen firearms from being misused. While smart guns have sparked debates about reliability and privacy, major manufacturers are investing in making these weapons secure and user-friendly. Laser weapons, once a staple of science fiction, are becoming a reality. Military-grade laser systems like the U.S. Navy's Laser Weapon System, LAWS, can already target drones, ships, and missiles with pinpoint accuracy. In the future, handheld laser-based firearms could become a possibility, offering precision without the need for ammunition. However, challenges like power supply and portability still need to be addressed. Modern firearms are being revolutionized by materials like carbon fiber, titanium, and advanced polymers. These materials make weapons lighter, more durable, and resistant to extreme conditions. Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, is also changing the game. It allows for rapid prototyping and the creation of intricate designs that were once impossible to achieve. Artificial intelligence is now integrated into targeting systems, enabling real-time threat analysis and improved accuracy. Smart optics can adjust to lighting, wind, and distance to help shooters hit their target under any condition. These systems are already being used in the military and could soon be available for civilian use. Energy weapons like railguns and plasma rifles could redefine the battlefield. By using electromagnetic forces or superheated plasma, these weapons promise unparalleled firepower and range. While they're still in development, they represent the next frontier in firearms innovation. From biometric safety features to energy-based firepower, the future of firearms is as exciting as it is revolutionary. What do you think about these advancements? Are you excited or concerned about the direction firearms are heading? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into cutting-edge technology.